Dillad newydd sbon, prisiau isel. Mae'r dill o werthu mor hen a hanes gwerthu a phrynu. Mae'n hoff farchnad yn dal I fod yng nghanol stryd ac o dan ganfas. Yma heddiw, pwy awyr lle fori, a nôl fan hyn wythnos nesaf wrth gwrs. Mae'r gwerthwyr yn dod o bob man, yn y gogledd o Lerpwl neu Fanceinion falle. Yn y de, wel o le tybed.
Anybody else add a pound? Add a pound, girls.
We're here every Wednesday and every Saturday.
Oh, lovely. And where are you the rest of the time then?
Well, on Tuesday we're in Mhontypridd. Fine place to be.
Yeah.
Friday we're at the ends of the earth, a place called Myfanwy.
Lovely place.
And on Saturday we're back here again. And on Sunday we're in Bessemer Road.
That's in Cardiff?
Correct.
Do you do any other markets outside of Wales?
Well, no, but we have to leave Wales on Thursday because that's where we do our buying.
Oh, right.
And we go to London to do our buying.
Oh, lovely. So this is an exclusive London model.
You couldn't get it more exclusive. It's under royal patronage.
Oh, well, I have to have one. No doubt at all. Is it my colour, though?
Yes, of course. I have that colour there, or maybe in puce.
Marchnad stryd ym Mhontypridd mor ganol yw hon, yn cael ei chynnal yng nghanol y dre ddwywaith yr wythnos. Mae siopwyr yn llifo yma o bob man. Ond erbyn heddiw, mae'r rhan fwyaf o drefi wedi symud y farchnad o'r strydoedd a'i gosod nhw mewn adeilad arbennig dan do, allan y ffordd y siopwyr sy'n gorfod talu trethu mawr. A deud y gwir, mae yna un ddiddorol iawn, yng Nghasnewydd, yng Ngwent.